Tiprasa sikla rokni bisingo phekjaknai manui chamani belai bangi tongkha abno kasunani bagui sakthari tongo Tribal Welfare Department bo haino aboni bagino TTAADC ni Tribal Welfare Department ni chubai boarding house ni student rokno tini khumulungni nuai auditorium hall nogo songjajakha phekjaknai manui no tui sisaromung awaimung samung botang TTAADC khumulungni Divisional Tribal Welfare Department tai Tribal Research and Cultural Institute ni jugali mungbai songsajak o pandao naroi okrangi thangi manjagi kha TTAADC ni Health tai Tribal Welfare Department ni samungsarphang adong Komal Koloi manjaka Jiraniani SDPU Komal Krishna Koloi tai Kherangbar saknai nokni Dr. Pinky Deborma Belbari Block ni BSC Chairman Roken Deborma tai Divisional Tribal Welfare Officer Orijit Deborma no khoboi Deputy Director Tribal Research and Cultural Institute akosongrok pandani bisingtui drugs chini do phao bahike derawui tongkha tai jeng bahike katui man abno tui no koknar laikha joto manjaknai borong murang naroi rok.
All you are English medium school?
Yes.
Then should I speak in English or Kogoro? I'll mix, okay? I'll mix because there might have some of the students, they are from Bengali medium. So that's why it will be difficult to understand them, okay? So, Hambai, Subdivisional Administration, Jirania, and Tribal Tribal Research and Culture Institute by Kobogjak, Kobangma NGO Rokni, hostels by Ran Khai Tongnai, boarding house ni Serengnai Rokno Tiyai, drug awareness campaign. O campaign songsajak mani chini tini noai holo o pandani achupang borom gana BSC chairman takogokra Roken Deborma oro phai manjar pheke sini o Jirania subdivision ni SDPU ani haini bomong boni te ke sat ke tonga ani ke duita boni ke tinta ke okra la ke tinta ke andar ase ke Komal Krishna Koloi Bono Hambai Manja Payment Bagai Oro Deputy Director TRCI Madam Ruma Rudropal Tero Pai Manja Pake Sini Kherangbar Hospital ni Dr. Pinky Deborma Ayurvedic ni Tero Boarding House Committee ni Chairman Vice Chairman Tai O Pandano Tini Mochangri Tongnai Kakuk Orijit Deborma Subdivisional District Welfare Officer Puila Sakang Kok Saitangmai Noro Gora Boardings ni Students Pai Shopene Joto Rogno Tayoro Tongnai Boarding Salok Tongnai Guardian Ngi Pene Barona Ani Khani Hamjagma Chibai Tai Chini TTAADC Hapangni Pasintiba Norogno Baskangni Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Tree. Jatono Yapare and Kisha Koksanai. That song was very nice. What you have sung, describing the beautiful scenery of Tripura, the people, the river. You have described already, no, but still. Till today, now, at present, we are not beautiful. We are very much ugly. Our youths are very much ugly this time. Do you know how? So this is today's message. Due to we are in drug, we are abusing drug, we are taking drug. That's why. I'll begin from the top to bottom. I want to begin. See, in our Karangbar hospital, we need good doctor. We need pediatrician. Pediatrician means child specialist doctor. We need a good surgeon. The surgeon means he will do the surgical work. That is expertise in surgical work, means cutting things. Okay, we need, and we need anesthesians. Anesthesian means who puts the injections, then the person will be stabilized for 3 or 4 hours for the operation. মানে রোগীর অবস্থায় মানে তা anesthesian. But still we are asking to the tongue, chini doctor to the tongue, pediatrician doctor to the tongue, chini tamihin surgeon tiprasa doctor to the tongue, anesthesia. जों मानिया थांनाय 4 बोसोराव जों खरकसापन मानिया अथच फाइके हांगे रेगुलार पोस्ट तांबगि मैया चिनि बरगो गोबां खायो ओ लाइनआव फरायनाय जों फरायमाया जों फरायलाय मानिया MBB कलेज women college, all Tripoli college ragunaydi, maths honors, physics honors, nini chemistry honors, chini Tripura basically. Ang jokon English honors na poro MBB college 1999 first year. Onko honors, chemistry honors, biology honors. অবরোধন রিলে মেয়ে পরে চিনি প্রসার করে ফলে চিনি পোস্ট গ্রাজুয়েট টিচার চিনি কলেজ প্রফেসর নেট স্লেট অঙ্গি কম খরক নয় কিন্তু आं साना नामनाके हाइसे जों फरायनायनि कम्पिटिशनाव थांनायावै ताबो तंथगलायनायनि कम्पिटिशनाव जों थांबाय दं और जे तंगना योर पेरेंट्स नि पेरेंट्स रा हयतोबो सियाङै मानो फर्स्ट जेनेरेशन बर लेखा फरा रोङियाङै मानो